Are you tired of the constant twisting and, you know, radial injuries to your forearms from the old style F-clamps? If so, you should get some of these Ratchet clamps. All you literally have to do is go and it just clicks into place, and they're fantastic. Seriously though, these Ratchet clamps are actually originally designed for metalwork, for welding and whatnot. And as such, they have a bit of flex to them in here while still holding the clamping pressure, because they need to allow for metals to expand and contract and move as metals do when they are heated up when, say, welding. A really handy way that translates for us woodworkers is that you can use these to clamp something together, and if it's kind of not quite where you need it to be, you can just knock it into place without losing any of that clamping pressure, right? So, for instance, if you glue something up and you want that glue to still keep, you know, setting up and whatnot, you don't have to lose any time. Well, you take it apart and move it, and then the glue would get weird, and then, you know, you can just, with your handy dandy little mallet or whatever you got lying around, a hammer, what have you, and it will go into place exactly where you need it. For instance, I think I said for instance twice in this video, but anyway, about a couple of weeks ago, we released that big beast bandsaw video with Jake in it, where he made fun of, you know, apprentices again. Anyway, he resawed this particular piece of timber, and there was so much pressure in here that it actually kind of became a perfect demo stock piece of timber, right? You can see how things are supposed to line up if you were to, say, put it back together, which you wouldn't, but for demo it's great. This clamp has enough strength and clamping force to pull this back together, which is fantastic. It's pulled back into shape, but if, like me, you're a bit of a sloppy woodworker on the go, you might be a little bit off. As long as the finished product is right, it doesn't matter. With these clamps, you can literally just knock it back into shape where it's supposed to go. You could use a mallet or a hammer or a dead blow mallet. I use them more often than not. Or you could just bash it into place on the bench. And it maintained that clamping pressure, so your glue didn't go anywhere, but now it's completely back together fantastically. These clamps are really good in that you can apply and remove them to your workpieces one-handed, right? They have a simple trigger release here that takes them off. They come in 3 different sizes, which is great. And my favorite thing about them is they're almost entirely metal, right? This piece here is metal, which usually they're not. This bit here is one single piece of metal, which is fantastic. It's got this little bolt down here to keep it from falling out the back end and getting lost. All the guts in here are all metal. All the teeth in the ratchet mechanism are metal. The actual bit here that catches in the teeth, the other half of the ratchet, I suppose, are all metal. It's fantastic, solid, well-made, surprisingly handy clamps. These clamps are very handy for anyone that is a maker, you know, not necessarily just a woodworker. If you do metalwork as well, absolute no-brainer. These are brilliant for both. There you have it. Torquata's quick release action clamps. Fantastic for both metal and woodwork, but for our purposes, more specific to woodwork, because we are Timbecon, not Metallicon. For everything you need to know about this and everything else there is to know about woodworking, go to www.timbecon.com.au. If this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I'm Phil Schimbine. I will see you when I see you.